Google has released watermarking for AI, but it's probably not what you think. Hi, I'm Harper, an AI expert with about 10 years of experience, 2 degrees from Stanford in computer science and AI, 4 years at Meta, and I was founding engineer and head of AI at a startup acquired by NVIDIA. My goal is to democratize AI so that everyone understands it and can use it to their benefit. This new watermarking technology called SynthID has 2 purposes. It can add watermarks and detect those watermarks. It needs to be able to detect the watermarks because they are not visible to the human eye. We can talk about how this works in another video, so check the links in my bio for long-form content. I want to talk about the fundamental issue with this tech. AI companies have to choose to put it in their models. There are 2 issues with this. One, even though Google, which makes the technology, has chosen to put it in all of its generative models, other companies like OpenAI are probably not going to elect to put it in their models, because if a customer has a choice between a watermarked content and non-watermarked content, they're probably going to choose the non-watermarked content. 2, even if there were some kind of law that made it so that all these companies had to put watermarks in their models, people could still get around it. That's because of open source code. So companies like Meta have made their models open source, which means anyone can find the code online and run it on their own machines. They have all the code available to them. So they could just take some of this open source code, which has models that run as well as these major models like OpenAI and Google, and get rid of the watermarks. So people could get around it. And even if they made a law that said open source code has to have this watermark in it, bad actors could just remove that code. They don't care about the law anyway. So it's great that this technology exists, but we still can't tell if content is AI generated or not.